Ladies and gentlemen, these are lifesaver shots and they're cute as hell. Okay, ice, baby. Then we come behind them with some rum, a bit of rum. Pour some rum in. Follow rum up with some triple sec. Okay, cool. What's next, Mike? Oh, we come in behind with some simple syrup, okay? Simple syrup is water and sugar boiled together to create a syrup that sweetens, but it dissolves easily in liquid. Come behind that with lime juice, okay? Some pineapple juice. Okay, all right. And then, my baby, blue curacao. And now we shake. If you're coming in the room, just come in, please, okay? And now we pour. And now we come behind with our little lifesaver gun. Come in the room if you're coming in, open the door, okay? We record these voiceovers. This is a very low budget operation, okay?